Hello everyone, this is Patty Roos here. I'm just going to give you guys a quick how-to tutorial on how to basically just use the Miami University web pages and search for some really good peer-reviewed journals. So what you want to do is first go to the just main Miami University's webpage. That's www.miami.muohio.edu. I'm going to post this PowerPoint slide just on the classroom so that you guys can look it up whenever you would like, if you don't want to watch the entire video every time on how to do this, for those of you that have never done it before. So this is our website. Then you want to go to the bottom right hand corner where it says My Miami and click on that link. At this point, it's probably going to ask you to put in your unique ID and your password. It's usually your last name, first initial and middle initial, and then whatever your password is. It's the same information for when you are searching for your final grades or paying your bursar bill or something along those lines. I'm sure you can email and figure it out if you're not certain. Then you want to click on the Libraries tab and it'll pull this exact page up, and you can click on the full library website and it will bring up this page. This is your main library search engine. A few features here that I think are pretty helpful. First of all, the scholarly, I always click the scholarly peer-reviewed box because those are the most of what we're searching for Miami to be credible peer-reviewed. Also the full text, because if you're going to find something that works for you, you want to be able to read the entire journal article. Then you have a few more tabs up here. I always just choose the OneSearch and then narrow it down further if I need to. So I'm just going to choose citizen science, since that is what our main topic is right now, and press search and see how many results that come up for me. Okay, as you can see over here, it lists how many articles that it found. It found 3,811 articles just for citizen science. So that's quite a bit. One thing that I can do, and keep in mind those are all peer-reviewed, is I can narrow them down by date if I want some more recent articles, perhaps, 92 or newer, and press update. And it's going to narrow down a little bit further for me. And then you can just start reading and see what works for you. I'm going to scroll down and find one that looks interesting. All right, here we go. How about the future of citizen science? I'm pretty curious about that, where it's headed. You can click on this PDF full text and it'll pull up the entire article for you, where you can start reading the abstract and the rest of the article to see if you can get any of that information. Another really helpful feature that I've found on the Miami web pages is that when you do, and I'll go back here, click on the article, it actually has a button over here that will cite it for you. And you probably always want to check with the Purdue OWL APA to make sure it's correct, but I use it a lot, so I could basically take APA or any other way that it's cited there. So that's very helpful. Another feature, you can also search for the title or by author. If you want to narrow it down from 3,000 articles, citizen science is pretty broad. You could choose on the advanced search and then possibly type in, palm oil if you want to know about citizen science, palm oil examples, or technology, or whatever you want, however you want to narrow it down. Essentially, it will find something for you. So that's basically it for how to use the Miami University Library web pages. It's a great resource, guys. So please take advantage of it. Let me know if something on here did not make sense. And also, if there's another search engine or site that you use that you find very helpful for peer-reviewed articles, please let me know. Post it on the site, so for everybody else to take advantage of that as well. That is all.